Before you close your Daiwa reel after cleaning, watch this first. Applying fresh oil and grease may look simple, but this step is very important. If you use the wrong lubricant, apply too much grease, or put oil in the wrong place, the reel can still feel heavy, sticky, or rough. The goal is not to fill the reel with lubricant. The goal is to protect the moving parts and help the reel turn smooth, light, and reliable again. After disassembling the reel and removing the old grease, make sure every part is completely clean and dry. This is very important. If old grease, dirt, sand, salt, or moisture is still inside the reel, the fresh grease will mix with it and the reel may not feel smooth. Old dirty grease can also continue to wear the gear teeth, even after maintenance. First, inspect the main gear and pinion gear. These two parts work together every time you turn the handle. If the gear teeth are clean and still in good condition, fresh reel grease can help them move more smoothly. But if the teeth are badly worn, chipped, or rusty, grease can help reduce friction, but it cannot fully repair damaged metal. Now apply fresh reel grease to the gear teeth. Use only a thin layer. This is one of the most important rules in reel maintenance. More grease does not always mean smoother. Too much grease can create drag inside the reel and make the handle feel heavy again. Use a small brush, toothpick, or cotton swab to spread the grease evenly across the teeth. The grease should cover the contact surface, but it should not be packed heavily inside the reel body. Next, check the oscillation system. This is the part that moves the spool up and down when you turn the handle. If this area is dry or dirty, the spool movement may feel rough or uneven. Apply a small amount of grease to the sliding parts and contact points. Again, keep it light. A thin, even layer is enough. After the gears are greased, move to the shafts and small moving parts. These areas usually need light reel oil, not thick grease. Put a small drop of oil on the spool shaft, handle shaft, bearings, bail arm joints, and line roller if needed. Oil helps these parts move freely without making them feel heavy. Do not flood the parts with oil. Too much oil can run into places where it does not belong and attract more dirt later. The line roller is especially important. If the line roller is dry, rusty, or stuck, the fishing line can twist, wear out, or feel rough during retrieve. Clean it first, then add a small drop of oil. After that, spin the roller by hand and make sure it moves freely. Now check the handle knob. Many people forget this part. Sometimes a reel feels rough not because of the main gear, but because the handle knob is dry or dirty. Add a small amount of oil to the moving point and rotate the knob several times. It should spin more smoothly. If your reel has bearings, check each one carefully. A good bearing should turn smoothly and quietly. If a bearing is only dry, a small drop of oil may help. But if it feels crunchy, rusty, or pitted, oil will not fully fix the problem. A badly damaged bearing should be replaced for the best result. When applying oil and grease, remember that different parts need different lubricant. Gears need grease. Shafts, bearings, handle knobs, bail joints, and small moving points usually need light oil. Drag washers are different. Do not add normal reel grease to the drag system unless the drag washers are designed for grease. Some drag washers run dry, and some need special drag grease. Using the wrong lubricant can make the drag sticky or uneven. After applying oil and grease, start reassembling the Daiwa reel slowly. Put every washer, gear, screw, and spring back in the correct position. Do not rush. If you took photos during disassembly, use them now. One small washer in the wrong place can make the reel feel loose, tight, or misaligned. Before fully tightening the screws, turn the handle gently and feel the movement. This helps you check if the gears are sitting correctly. If something feels stuck, do not force it. Open the reel again and check the position of the gears, washers, and shafts. Forcing the reel can damage parts that were still good. Once everything feels correct, close the side cover and tighten the screws evenly. Do not over-tighten them. After the reel is assembled, turn the handle several times. The reel should feel smoother, lighter, and more consistent than before. Check the spool movement, drag, bail arm, line roller, handle knob, and anti-reverse. Common beginner mistakes include using too much grease, using thick grease on small moving parts, adding oil on top of dirt, forgetting to dry parts after cleaning, and applying normal grease to the drag washers. Another mistake is thinking lubricant can fix every problem. Oil and grease can reduce friction and protect metal, but they cannot repair broken gears, deep rust, or badly damaged bearings. A good reel service is about balance. Clean the old grease completely, dry the parts, inspect the metal, apply fresh grease only where it is needed, and use light oil on small moving parts. With proper oil, fresh grease, and careful reassembly, your Daiwa reel can turn smoother, feel lighter, and become ready for your next fishing trip again.